Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do weekly love reading for Aries fire sign for the month of November, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So Aries, let's see your messages and your first card for the reading. Seven of Pentacles, Knight of Swords, the World. One person invests in this connection more than the other person. There is no equal give and take, but that person is waiting for the result in this connection. And one person is rushing towards the other person, Knight of Swords, and the World. Some cycles are going to be completed between you and your person. This could be long distance relationship also, Aries. You both live in different cities, different countries and different states. But something has happened between both of you. One person is waiting for the other person to arrive, but the other person is rushing towards their person. So let's see what is going on in your connection right now. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus and Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Let's see. Hermit, yeah. Wow. Lot of reading got Eight of Swords card. Common. Mostly 3-4 readings. Okay. So yeah, one person not talking to other person right now because they are stuck. I think if it could be you are waiting for your person, or your person may be waiting for you, or one person in this connection is right now undergoing some spiritual awakening because the Hermit. This person is isolated from all and undergoing some spiritual awakening. Yeah. And definitely one person is stuck right now. I think the under spiritual awakening person I am getting because that's why they are not taking any move, because they are undergoing a spiritual awakening. They are stuck, but one person is stand by their power. King of Wands. Let's see some more, then we will get more clarity. Yeah, Four of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, Nine of Swords. I think one person is not expressing their feelings in this connection. They are very stubborn. I think it could be you or your person. Take what resonate, because this is general reading, and leave the rest. And King of Pentacles. Yeah, one person want to offer long-term commitment to this connection. And for those who are in separation, definitely your person feeling very, very sad. Or for those who are in no contact or less contact or no communication, definitely one person feeling very, very sad. They are thinking about the other person a lot. Yeah, I think one person in this connection are not expressing their feelings. It could be you or your person. They are holding back their feelings. They are very stubborn, or they are having hard time to express their feelings. Two of Swords, Three of Pentacles, Five of Swords. Yeah, there is fighting and a lot of drama going between you and your person. Yeah, one person have to take decision in this connection. They are at some crossroads. It could be you or your person. Definitely this time they have to make decision, because in past there is no partnership in this connection, and there is no equal give and take. There is no collaboration also. So now one person want to collaborate with the other person, and definitely a lot of air energies here. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. And Five of Swords, definitely there are some disagreements, some fighting is going between both of you. Yeah, and think one person have to take decision this time, because there are some crossroads. If you are waiting for your person, definitely they have to take some decision, Aries. Yeah, I think the one person who always there for this connection is you, because King of Pentacles, you always there for your person. Now you stand by your power. So let's see your person current feelings and near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what is going on in your connection right now. So your person current feelings towards you, Aries. Six of Pentacles, King of Wands, and Nine of Wands. King of Wands two times. I think they thinking about to offer equal give and take. In past there is no equal give and take in this connection. Now your person thinking about to offer equal give and take in this connection. King of Wands with Nine of Wands. Yeah, they are very, very passionate about you. They don't want to give up on this connection at any cost. Yeah, they are, I think for some they are going to make decision to choose you. For some still they are at some crossroads, they don't know what to do. In their feeling wise they want to offer equal give and take, but they don't know how to offer it is to you. Let's see your person near future actions, then we'll get more clarity. Aries, Four of Wands, Princess of Swords, Five of Wands and Five of Swords. Yeah, they want this union. You both could be twin flames, 11 and 11. Princess of Swords, definitely some communication you will get from your person. And Five of Wands, yeah, they are ready to fight for your attention, fighting for your attention. They are ready. Yeah, they want to offer equal give and take this time. Definitely some communication. They are ready to fight for your attention. Five of Wands, yeah. I think one or more person attracted to you. They are fighting for your attention for some, but they are very very passionate about you. They don't want to give up on this connection. They want partnership this time. They want to end the disturbances between both of you, Aries. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Six of Cups, Six of Swords. Yeah, definitely this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different countries, different states and different cities, traveling involved. Chariot, you or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Cancer. Who? Two times Six of Swords, some communication, air energy. Yeah, you both decide to compromise. I am getting here because Six of Swords moving towards calm water. I think you both want to reconcile. Chariot with Six of Cups, definitely reconciliation. You both want the same thing, but you stand by your power this time. Now your person want to take action towards you, and they want to decide what they want, because Two of Swords, one person is at some crossroads. Take what is not and leave the rest. Definitely you both want to decide to close the differences between both of you and to move this connection and to give another chance, because Six of Cups with the Chariot, definitely there is small moment in this connection. Still there is some moment, because Six of Cups reconciliation. You both feel strong soulmate connection and past life connection with each other. So let's see your overall energy for the week. Aries, High Priestess, the Tower and Nine of Cups, Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, you are wishing for this connection. Some Tower moment is already happened, of that is separation for some. For some there is no contact. For some it could be in any area of your life, but the higher self is, your higher self is with you. Definitely you are with your higher self. You are listening to your higher self. Yeah. High Priestess. Yeah, your wishes are going to be granted. Some long-term commitment is coming in your way, or you are going to also offer long-term commitment to your person. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. A lot of air energies here I am seeing. Definitely you both could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or one person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. King of Cups, Knight of Cups, Strength, Ten of Swords. Yeah, some they want rebirth in this connection, some new beginnings. And again air energy. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Strength, you or your person could be Leo also. Definitely they are gaining back their strength to come towards you and to offer long-term commitment, and they are gaining back their power to make some major decision in their life. And King of Cups and Knight of Cups, because they have strong, very strong emotions for you. Yeah, King of Cups with Knight of Cups. And one more thing, Knight of Cups is very slow moving energy. Still they have strong emotions for you. They are coming back to you, but it is very slow moving energy. So be patient before waiting for your person. And King of Cups, definitely they want to offer long term commitment and long term stability this time. Aries. Yeah, you both decide to compromise and to take this relationship to next level. For some, definitely reconciliation is there, because Six of Cups with Chariot and two times Six of Swords. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, a lot of water energy. Yeah, this is the reading for you, Aries. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys, and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you. Bye.